Not a girl. You lost your voice.
I got RIZZ though. Hold on. Not really your speed.
Oh!
He cute? No.
Yeah.
I could have been a stepfather. JBY family. As you can see by the thumbnail and the title. Edition. No talking. Yes, my mom's gonna be sure, y'all. Ladies gonna rizz me up. You know how it goes for my other rizz me up pranks. Keep my mouth shut and purposely turn them down with writing it down. No voice. No. No. Big thumbs up. Let's get right into the video. Oh,
excuse me. Can I ask you a question real fast?
RIZZ?
Yeah. The goal is just to get this again. He's right there.
White shirt or the black shirt?
White shirt.
Yo, I would never thought I would ever be on one of these things.
Yeah.
Hi, excuse me. Can I ask you a question? Yes. Can I ask you a question? Okay, so y'all playing games with me right now. Okay, no games. You have social media? I think you're speaking. Why? Because people socialize on social media. Can I socialize with you on social media? Because I like meeting new people. Yeah, really. Yes. So do you have Instagram? What? I'm cute? Yeah, you're attractive. But just because you're attractive or not doesn't mean that's why I want your social media. It's to socialize. Cap? No cap. Not really your speed.
Oh!
So what's your speed? Oh yeah, we are racing real quick. What, am I light skinned? Cause I'm definitely darker than you. So you capping right now? No, you're capping. No, it's fine. No, it's fine. You don't want to give me your social media? That's fine. I'm not dark skinned enough. We're going colorism right now. No, we are. Is that say dirt? Me?
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
What word are you trying to spell? That's not a word for me. Social experiment go. Oh, you. Hold on, let me give you something. Hold on. No, I want to give you something. Hold on. That's for you. Yeah, you're ugly. Never do that ever again, okay? The right one. I hope you got that. I hope you got that. Did you get that? Because the social experiment went wrong. Nah, get your voice. Get your voice back. You need it. Lucky I was nice.
can't see the word prank?
Nah. L marker.
Yeah, L marker. Oh, you're not jacking me. I'm ugly. All right.
It's however you take it.
Nah. You see, you don't keep your promises anyway. I don't want a girl like that in my life. So it's okay. So I'm turning you down. Yeah. That's what we do. Yeah. That is fair. You better accept it. Let's get back to the program. Wait. No, it's a...
Back up.
No.
Back up before I say something I don't want to say. Back up, please.
No, read it though.
Back up. I'm warning you. Back up.
Oh, I just wanted to laugh.
Back up.
I just want to...
Before I make you lose your voice, back up.
Okay.
Back up.
I don't lose my voice.
Back up.
I just want to say it was a...
Back up. You got my face.
Have a good day. It was...
I'm gonna just pick out like a random guy and you just get his Instagram like this, like mad quick.
Now what if I get dogs? I got RIZZ though. Hold on. You gonna have to choose somebody else. Hell no. You're losing me. I'm sorry. You lost me with this one.
Damn.
Wait, I think he's saying something.
You a part of this too? No, you're not ugly, but feel me?
I love the honesty though.
Hi, can I get your Instagram? You got Instagram? Yeah. Put your Instagram. Oh, what's this?
I'm not...
Okay. So type it. IG. You don't want it. You want it? I am cute? No. That's you? Stop lying. No. He cute? No.
Yeah.
But he really lost his voice.
I could have been a stepfather. She was low-key jacking me, right?
I watch your videos.
Oh, W supporter. WJBY family member.
I seen your videos and your shorts floating around.
Oh, word.
Yeah.
That's love. I appreciate you
I
too.
see you. Can you RIZZ me up?
Okay.
I seen the twist. The RIZZ me up with the twist. I seen your videos.
Ooh, WJBY fan member. Appreciate you, brother.
No problem. Keep doing your thing.
Appreciate you.
Oh, I got like a little social experiment. Like you would jacket or nah? That's crazy.
No.
So deep.
Damn, the gizzy on that one. But yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's a little social experiment, right?
Oh, hell no. I'm on the clock. You're trying to get in the car.
I'm sorry. Oh, thank you. I don't like to give my phone up for that stuff. No? Sorry. Not everybody's coming.
So weird. Huh?
Y'all know each other.
Thanksgiving all day. That's my turkey. Yeah, the gizzy goes crazy.
All right, wish me luck.
You got it. Bad boy, you got this.
If he had a girl, we gotta get it.
Yeah, nah, yeah.
Got a girl. You lost your voice? Oh, the answer's no? I feel like y'all set this up. So, y'all set this up? Oh, so you lost your voice? Oh, what you lost your voice doing? Swimming. So your answer's no? For your Instagram? Number only, no Instagram? Alright, what's your number? Yeah, your number. I got a photographic memory. So I don't know it. Why what?
Buy the right person.
Why I wanna get your number? Cause that nigga told me to. What you want to say? I like dark skin. Oh, that's cute. I mean, I like dark skin too. My nigga that dark skin and chocolate.
How are you? I'm just trying to get your Instagram. I'm just trying to get your Instagram if you want to share your Instagram. What if she asks you? What if she says please? Chica, can you say please? No? You can't give me your Instagram? Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. I couldn't get it. But we could be Instagram friends though. That was nice. Though. That was good. That was good. That was good. Instagram friends? Aww. Oh, you don't speak, so do I have to give you mine? Because it's for TikTok. I don't like that. Okay, let me see.
Oh.
Can I see?
Oh.
Have a good day.
Oh.
Sir, can I have your Instagram, please? You have Instagram? You don't have Instagram. He doesn't have it. Oh, Instagram. All right, you can't have my number. Sorry. All right. Okay. You're just gonna carry that around and write to people your whole life?
Thanksgiving all day. That's my turkey. Yeah, the gizzy goes crazy.